Get indices of element of one array using indices in another array. Suppose I have an array of shape 2, 2, 2. And an array B that is the max of A, B equals a dot max, minus 1, row-wise. I'd like to obtain the index of elements in B using index in flattened A, i.e. a dot reshape, minus 1. The result should be an array that is the same shape with B with indices of B in flattened A. Basically this is the result of maxpool 2D when return underscore indices equals true in PyTorch, but I'm looking for an implementation in NumPy. I've used where but it seems doesn't work. Also, is it possible to combine finding max and indices in one go, to be more efficient? Thanks for any help.
The only solution I could think of right now is generating a 2D, or 3D, see below, range that indexes your flat array, and indexing into that with the maximum indices that define B, i.e. a .argmax, minus 1. I separated the steps with some meaningful variable names, which should hopefully explain what's going on. Multi_ins tells you which column to choose in each row in A to get the maximum. Flat_ins is a list of indices, from which one value is to be chosen in each row. This is indexed into exactly according to the maximum indices in each row. Flat_max_ins are the values you're looking for, but in a flat array. So we need to reshape that back to match B.shape. A slightly more obscure but also more elegant solution is to use a 3D index array and use broadcasted indexing into it. This does the same thing without an intermediate flattening into 2D. The last part is also how you can get B from multi_ins, i.e. without having to call a *max function a second time.
This is a long one-liner. However, number equals 18 is repeated twice, so which index is the target?
I have a solution similar to that of Andrus based on np.argmax and np.arrange. Instead of indexing the index, I propose to add a piecewise offset to the result of np.argmax. This results in or as a one-liner.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.